to this exciting video where we'll show an LLM household item guessing game with Streamlit. Ever wondered if AI can play a game of 20 questions? Well, today we're putting two large language models to the test in a household item guessing showdown. Gemma 3 from Google versus DeepSeek R1. Who will come out on top today? Let's break down what the game is. Well, it's the two AI models will take turns asking yes, no questions. After 4 questions, they'll make their best guess at what the household item is. Models with most correct answer will win the game. Let's jump in and see how this works. We built this game using Streamlit, an awesome Python framework for interactive web applications. Let's break it down. From tech overview, the game is coded in Python using Streamlit for the user interface. It uses Olama API to connect to the LLMs. Google 3 from Gemini from Google DeepMind and DeepSeek R1. We're going to be putting the United States with Google versus China in this household item guessing game. There'll be a battle between two powers of the United States and China. We'll see who comes out on top. The game, it selects a random household item and challenges the models to guess them. Let's go over the game rules. In this guessing game, two LLM models, Gemma 3 from Google DeepMind representing the United States, will battle DeepSeek R1 from China. Gemma 3 is a lightweight LLM from Google that performs well on reasoning tasks. DeepSeek from China is a powerful open-source LLM optimized for code and logic reasoning. Each model must ask exactly 4 yes or no questions before making a guess on their bit term. The game consists of 3 rounds with a tiebreaker if needed. The game, while it's simple, DeepSeek guesses a coin flip to determine who goes first. The models take turns asking and answering questions about each other's items. After asking 4 questions, each model makes their final guess, and the model with the most correct answers wins the game. Let's start up this game. Who will be better at guessing the household items? Will it be Gemma 3 or will it be DeepSeek R1? Let's start the game. All right, here's the Streamlit user interface. And see, it gives real-time game updates. See the scoreboard right here from Gemma 3 versus DeepSeek will be in round 1. Gemma 3 needs to guess pillow, that's a household item, and DeepSeek needs to guess a coffee maker. Right, look at the coin flip results. DeepSeek called heads, it landed on tails, so Gemma 3 will go first. If Gemma 3 can guess a pillow, down here it tracks the question. So the first question asked by Gemma 3 is it typically found in a kitchen? Answer by DeepSeek was no. A pillow was not commonly found in a kitchen. All right, now it's DeepSeek. Earn to ask Gemma 3 a question. This is where we can see the live Q&A results real time. Let's see what DeepSeek asked Gemma 3 for the first question. Does the item have a cord? But for a coffee maker, typically a coffee maker has a cord. Gemma 3 answered yes. We can see live game updates. As the game progresses, Gemma 3's second question, does it primarily use electricity? And DeepSeek said no, so Gemma 3 has got some work cut out, but it's remaining to question. We're just going to watch the real time game updates, though it's keeping wide commentary right here, real time. DeepSeek asks the second question is, does the item use a string or thread? And Gemma 3 answered no. Oh. Now on the third question from Gemma 3 is, does it contain moving parts? Ooh, let's see how DeepSeek answers this question. Typically, a who does not have moving parts, but 2025, but yet, as we expected, DeepSeek answered no, so Gemma 3's gonna have a tough time at this point trying to guess a pillow. I think DeepSeek is on his way to potentially guessing a copy maker. Let's find out kind of how this first round will progress. Who will win? Will it be the United States, Gemma 3 from Google DeepMind, or will it be DeepSeek from China? Some of the additional game features, you can see the game events. This is just each of the commentary, the latest update that we could see right here. Definitely exciting action within this first round of household item guessing game. Gemma 3 DeepSeek. Right, DeepSeek asked, does the item have any wheels? And Gemma 3 answer was no. Gemma 3 with question number 4. Is it used for cleaning? Ooh, should be a no response by DeepSeek, so Gemma 3 is going to have a tough time trying to guess this one. We'll see if they can pull out a long shot and guess the pillow. Good. Very doubtful, very low probability. All right, so we're nearing the end of round 1. DeepSeek has its last question. It is thinking for its last question, what will DeepSeek ask Gemma 3? Can it get close to guessing a coffee maker? We can see DeepSeek's questions pretty lengthy. Let's look. The common household item, the lamp base that uses cord. Ooh, it's kind of hallucinating, folks. We'll see. Gemma 3 guessed a clock, but the iron was Apollo, so oof. Gemma 3 was wrong. Not looking good for round 1 for Gemma 3. See if they can rebound in round 2. I keep speaks up. They had to guess the item. They'd ask 4 questions. It's the 5th turn. Now you have to guess the item. Let's see how DeepSeek does. Ooh, DeepSeek thought I was a lamp base. I was a copy maker. Unfortunately, both models did not guess the correct household item. So we're going to round 2. It's still 0-0. Folks, the AI still a lot of work. So don't be too worried. You think AI's going to replace your game? They're still struggling on household items. Oh, I think we're all safe for now. So we're in round 2. Gemma 3 needs to guess a microwave. DeepSeek needs to guess a chair. See how round 2 will go. Right. And the 3's first question is, I am found in a kitchen. And DeepSeek answered yes, so number 3 is on its way. Can I guess a microwave? They kind of honed in on where in the house this item is. We'll see if they can guess the microwave. DeepSeek needs to guess a chair. Its first question to Gemma 3 is I am made up of more than one part? And yes, a chair is, though it's on DeepSeek's way as well. Gemma 3's second question, which can't follow along in the game updates, is does it primarily use electricity or microwave? Yes. The response by Deebs.
While we watch the Q&A session unfold, let's chat a little bit about AI and discuss some fun facts. Did you know AI can actually dream? Yep. Google's Deep Dream creates these trippy psychedelic images by dreaming, up patterns in pictures. It's like AI on a creative acid trip. And while AI can crunch massive datasets in seconds, it still struggles with the simple things, like understanding sarcasm. So, if you tell an AI, "Oh, great, another software update," it might actually think you're excited. But AI isn't just about numbers and logic, it's also a creative genius. AI models have composed symphonies, created stunning artwork, and even written entire novels. Though, let's be honest, some of those AI-written books still need an editor. Want to talk to one of the first AI chatbots? Too bad, because it's from 1966. Eliza was designed to mimic a psychotherapist, and people actually thought it was a real human. Fast forward to today, and AI is basically running entire conversations online. And here's a crazy one. AI even helped discover a new antibiotic. Scientists used AI to find halicin, a superbug-killing antibiotic. So yeah, AI is out here saving lives while we're just asking it to write funny tweets. Now let's talk about Olama. This AI lets you run powerful models right on your own device. No cloud, no sending data to some mysterious server. It's all local, meaning your data stays private. Olama also lets you switch between different AI models on the fly. 1 second, you're running DeepSeek. The next, you're using Gemma, all with just a simple command. And guess what? You don't even need an internet connection. Once installed, Olama runs completely offline. It's like having a pocket-sized AI genius wherever you go. Oh, and it's open source, meaning anyone can jump in, tweak it, and make it even better. Speaking of AI models, let's talk about Gemma 3 from Google DeepMind. This one is inspired by Gemini, but it's built to be lightweight and super efficient. Think of it as the compact sports car of AI, small but ridiculously powerful. It's especially good at logic-based questions and complex reasoning. So if you ever need an AI to outthink your friend in a debate, Gemma's got your back. And yes, it's open source. That means developers can customize and fine-tune it however they want. Oh, and the name, Gemma, comes from gem because, well, great things come in small packages. Now, let's meet the AI challenger from China, DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek was built for deep thinking, meaning it's incredible at logic, problem-solving, and anything that requires serious brain power. It's also a math wizard. If math was a sport, DeepSeek would be the MVP, ranking among the best AI models for solving complex problems. And if you need some code, DeepSeek is basically a programming guru. Python, Java, SQL. It generates clean, optimized code faster than most humans can type "Hello World." This AI wasn't just made to exist. It was built to compete with the biggest names in AI, like GPT, LLAMA, and Gemini. And the name, DeepSeek, stands for Deep Learning meets Seeking Knowledge, which pretty much sums up what this AI is all about. So whether AI is dreaming, writing novels, solving math problems, or running privately on your device, one thing's for sure. The future of AI is wild, and we're just getting started. Which of these AI facts blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome AI content.